Friends, a very good and competitive fight is going to happen between Ilia Topuria versus Justin Gaethje in UFC Freedom 250. And now in this video, I'm going to talk about the presence of mind and the smart approach of Ilia Topuria and Ilia Topuria as he answered the question of the opponent reporters, the reporter that wants to distract the fighters on the game. So in a pre-fight press conference, uh, a reporter asked to the Ilia Tupuria that what do you think about the Khabib? If he just the reporter just want to compare Khabib with Ilia Tupuria, and he wants to know that what Ilia Tupuria do if Khabib will come inside the cage. He was against against the cage inside the Ilia Tupuria. So Ilia Tupuria gave a very smart approach, a very smart answer that Khabib is right now is not in the sport, UFC sport, and he is retired, and he is not going to come, and he is so respectful for the Khabib Nurmagomedov. So this is a very smart answer given by Ilia Tupuria. He shows that he respect a lot Khabib, and he know that he is not going to come. So if any fighter is not going to come, why to take the controversies, why to go on unnecessary things that distract you on the game. So he did the smart answer, a smart thing, and this shows that he Islia Topuria right now focusing very well against Justin Gaethje. So this is the smart approach, and he's also come from a very difficult moment where he's some back and forth with her wife, and right now he is fully focused on the game, and it is the time will say that what Ilia Topuria will perform on the day of the fight against Justin Gaethje. But right now I think he has a very high chances of win, and his odds are very good. So people think that he is gonna win, but at the every fight is a new fight, and he has to perform first of all to win, irrespective of chances of a fighter, of any fighter to win. So he has to first perform, any fighter has to perform. So a best wish for Ilia Topuria. But any fighter, they don't want to take unnecessary controversies. If the guy is Conor McGregor, Nate Diaz, then they can take the unnecessary controversies. But these guys very smart, a smart approach. I appreciate this answer and the smart approach of Ilia Topuria. What you people think about this guy Ilia Topuria, about this type of answer? So just comment below.